Hi. So in this class, in this lecture, what we will do is we will learn how we can change the color inside the oscilloscope of a Simulink. So what I have this block diagram that I have already simulated. I have two scopes here. Let us open the scope. You can see here these are quite a good nice waveforms that are looking on this computer screen. But what actually I need to do is if I need to plot it on or I want to print it on a report or on a research paper, most of the times the supervisor or the reviewer, they say is that your font size on the axis is not too large, so increase this size. So even if I try to increase this axis, what it will do is it will not increase the font size here. Neither when we want to print this waveform do not looks very nice because of this black background, and this axis font is also not too good. So what I will do is we will try to create some sort of a system that can change the font, that can change the different properties of this waveform. So for this we need to open the MATLAB window here. What we will do is we will copy one small code. Don't worry about this, I will put this code in the description of this video and enter it. So when I entered it, you can see here we have these few things available right on the top of this waveform. These are the file menu, the edit menu, the view menu, insert, tools, and desktop. So what we are going to do is we want to play with this waveform. So let's go in the edit menu and go on the axis properties. So when we go into the axis properties, what we have a lot of things available. See here, this whole waveform is selected and it is showing me that what is your line and text color. So let us make it black and make this color white. So this has changed this the original view of this waveform. In the bottom waveform, you can see it's the original Simulink, and above one what we are changing. So let us change the font size. So for the font size, here we have this font size menu available. Convert it into 12, make it a little bit bold so that we can see what's actually going on. And let's just drag this figure a little bit here. You can see here this font size is much more clearer than this one, which is the original waveform font. Then these colors, the waveform, these are red, yellow, and blue. Apparently the three-phase rotor currents, they are not very clear in it. So how we can clear it? Just click on any waveform and you can see here this is the color. Let this color be like this and just increase the width of this line. It has just it has made this line much bolder than the previous version. Then clicking on this, click on this thing, make it this to make it more clear, make it blue, and you can see on the blue color we have a much more clear line. Similarly the case with the yellow one. Let's make it dark yellow and make it like this. Also we can change the font size here, which is you see 8 right now, 8. We can make it 16 and we can make it bold also, and the color of the font we can select the black or any color you want. So here we are, you can see now there is a clear difference between the above waveform and the below waveform, where the above waveform shows the shows the diagram after the editing done by this small code, and the newer one is the original one, which shows that its axes are also not that clear, and the caption for this waveform is also not clear. And when you print it, this waveform looks much more prettier than this one. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.